Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move here with the S&P 500 ending its recent slide, just a little bit of a slide, and bring in Bloomberg's Alexandra Semenova with our market drivers. Alexandra.
Hey guys, good morning. I've been watching shares of Oracle really closely as we get more updates on this closely watched TikTok deal with the U.S. in which it is supposed to be among a consortium of investors buying the company. The Trump administration said today that they expect a valuation of about $14 billion. That's actually well below what the expectations were, kind of disappointing investors. Investors say that a deal at that price would be a bargain for buyers, including Oracle and partner Silver Lake Management. And accordingly, the stock is down a little bit this morning, though I do have to say it has had a fantastic run this year. Obviously, we got that blowout earnings report where they really wowed investors with their guidance. And then also, of course, this involvement with TikTok. The stock is up about 74% this year.
Okay, what else you got for us here?
Also taking a look at shares of furniture retailers, which are taking a hit right now after President Trump announced that the U.S. will enact new tariffs, specifically on imported kitchen cabinets, on bathroom vanities, and other home products next week. RH is seeing its stock fall this morning. I see it down about 2.2%. Wayfair, another furniture retailer, also dropped. RH is one of the companies that's really been taking a hit from tariffs. Its CEO has been a critic of Trump's trade policy. It's had a really rough year. Basically, in a social media post on Thursday night, Trump said that these kinds of imported products have been flooding into the U.S. He said that a 50% tariff would go on cabinets, vanities, and associated products.
Yeah, you wonder if that's just kind of the initial shot, and of course, everything's going to come down.
Everything gets walked back.
Yeah.
We saw that on the pharmaceuticals.
Yep.
If you have or thinking about building a plan here, you can be exempt.
Right, and so many companies are saying they've done just that.
We'll do it.
All right, let's talk about Boeing, which has been in the news this week.
Yeah, it is a bright spot today. The stock is up about 4.1% right now. The Federal Aviation Administration said that it will give it more leeway to perform some safety checks on its notorious 737 MAX plane prior to delivery. Obviously, they've struggled with safety issues after multiple crashes with that plane. The FAA will delegate more of its routine inspections to the plane maker, and they also asked for permission for more output on this plane. It's currently capped at about 38 a month, and they want to see it move to a rate of 42 by the end of this year. Investors are very happy with this announcement.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.